Hey guys, welcome to tutorial for Kiss the Sky for one of our favorite artists, Derulo. So we're going to break it down steps first and then we'll dance it after. So it starts with 4 little kicks with that right foot. We've seen this movie before. We go kick and back, kick and back, kick and back, kick and back. So 4 of those. The hand comes around 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, snap. So it's like a little wash machine. Snap, snap. So again, you start to the right foot for 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we walk forward, arms open, cross, step back 5, 6, 7, 8. So the arms just going pa, ta, back, 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 back. Again, it walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step the right foot back. Arms go 1, 2, 3, together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to add a little booty here. 1, 2, 3, together. 4, 5, 6, 7, together. 8. Walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Section 3 is the chorus. We start with a little right foot, right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same feet, double arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, I love some bird arms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to point up to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to break it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kiss the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a nice little bridge here. We go shoulder, shoulder, shoulder together. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have a sexy breakdown. We start with hips around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands come to the right leg. The left heel is going to pop out. It's going to make our booty pop out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Right heel out. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk forward with the gimme hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 booties. We go back, arms out, side, back, inside. That's a walk forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's all the sections, so let's put it together. Here we go.